These were ordered from Amazon. I pour them in these nice big mason jars because I love these things. Anyway, so they look like little seeds, and that's all they are. They're good for you. They're gluten-free. They're filled with tons of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, everything. So what you want to do is I pour them just, and I don't even measure. I just pour in how much I want to use. And I pour in this. You can find these containers, and I guess I should mention this. You take this rice, this is a rice rinser, and what you do with it is, you know, there's small holes there, so you don't have to worry about the buckwheat going through a colander. Like you can see underneath, there's a real colander, and those are big holes that things could go through. So what you want to do is make sure that you get one of these rice washers. You can find those on Amazon, and they're very cheap, and you can see that it's an easy way to rinse them. So this is all I do, is I pour some amount in here, and then I rinse it, and I rinse it till it's clear. And I'm sorry for the noise, but this is what you do. And I rinse it a lot, and this is really what you're going to be doing every day to sprout buckwheat. So I'm going to leave this running for just a minute. I hope you can hear me. So I shake it around and I rinse it. And you can see that the water is actually getting clearer in there, if you can tell. And that's what I do. I do a lot of rinsing for the very first time when I first take them out of the mason jar. Okay, and then I shut that off, and you'll see it drains. And I shake it out a little bit. And honestly, it doesn't take much to sprout buckwheat. When something is sprouted, they're better for you. Because it's a living thing, it digests better for you. And what I do with my buckwheat groats is I dehydrate them and make granola with them. Or you can grind them up and use them as a flour. So when things are sprouted, they're better for you. And again, it helps with your digestibility. So I'm going to shake that out. And I'm going to put it just in a bowl, just like this. And that's all you really have to do. And what I do is I set this on the counter, and when I think of it, I rinse them. So for the next 3 or 4 days, I can rinse them just like you saw me do. And you'll see little tails growing on this buckwheat, and it's really cool. It's really neat, and it just, the size, you get more and more of them. And what I do is when they're done, I just rinse them one more time, and then you can seal them in a container like this one and keep them for a while that are sprouted, or you can go ahead and use them and make them into granola. I mix them with some raw honey and some, you know, you can use raisins, you can use some dried fruits, some dates, some figs, and some cinnamon, and you dehydrate it for about 24 hours and it will make granola. And that's what I love to have as a snack, and it's really great.